Dude, I'm hyped. Everyone's hyped on it. Not secured at all. Full send, Doug. All right, everyone. So today, well, I was just on the internet, and the internet is full of so many amazing things. I saw something, and we're recreating it here. I don't know what to call it, because right now my brain's just thinking, make it. So let's make this thing. I'm gonna take off all these trucks, put them on a piece of plywood, and then we're just gonna have fun. We're just gonna put it on obstacles and see how it works and have fun like circus, right?
I'm not gonna have fun.
Yeah,
I hurt my leg.
I'm sorry.
I'm very jealous.
Warrior. He's a real warrior.
No, I didn't skate for 2 weeks to let this thing heal, and the first time I skated since I got hurt, this happens.
Yeah.
I seen it.
Hey, it's Carlos.
It's okay.
So let's get started. All right, everyone, look at how far I've made it. We are missing a few more. And right now, Sebastian said that everyone would like to see me struggle to break this last one off. This drill is only stripping it when I go down there. And let's do this. Got it. Woo! Okay, let's add these two. Oh, we're basically done. All right, everyone. So, I've already lined up all the trucks. I've lined them up. I took out all the bolts and hardware out of all trucks, so now it's just standing perfectly fine. But before I start drilling the trucks in so it's stable, I have to make sure that each truck that's higher or lower is just meeting the same thing, so it goes like from lowest to highest, so whenever you get on you move perfectly fine. So that's what I'm about to do, because it's all up, low, up, low, up, low. So let's do this. All right, that's it. We made it. Look at this. So now we're just gonna wait till tomorrow morning, and we're gonna skate it with the crew. So we'll see you in, like, you guys 2 seconds, me 24 hours. No, you 2 seconds, me 12 hours.
Hey, you guys, we're here the next day. Mowgli spent hours upon hours building this beautiful masterpiece yesterday. And now here we are with the centipede handrail, the handrail of trucks. We don't really know what it's called yet, but all we know is that this is a masterpiece, and I'm really proud of you. You killed it.
Thanks.
We're here with the squad of all squads today. We got Chris McNugget, we got Carlos Cthulhu Lastra. Sorry, I didn't miss you. We got Will Cortez, we got Mowgli, we got Doug Desautel, we got Glow, and we got Uzi, who is on his 4th week of not skating.
Be like that sometimes.
He's on a binge. He's on
Be
a
like
binge
that
right
sometimes.
now. Be like that.
And I literally put his hands completely in Mowgli's hands. He saw it on Instagram. He said, "Gabe, we got to do this," and I said, "Make it happen." So whatever he wants to do, we're gonna do today.
Did you say you put your hands completely in Mowgli's vision?
Yes. All right, let's do this.
Where do we start?
I don't know. That's literally what I said. Like, it's him. Whatever he wants to do.
I really was thinking we should put it on top of the box so it could just stay leveled.
Okay.
Why don't you write it first?
We all
You're holding it wrong. There you go. You're holding it right now.
Ball grab?
On the edge.
I think we'll do on the edge first, and then the middle will come a little later.
It'll be once we're warmed up.
Yeah,
It's a little
exactly.
more intense.
Y'all got this.
You got duct tape?
Okay. That'll work.
Board side? Yeah, the wheels are gonna go forward.
So what's your science behind this?
All right, so first things first, you wanna,
Oh, put a board down.
the Uzi the walker. So if I was them, I'd start going at it this way, because, or we could flip it, but I put it where the the independent truck's right here. This is the taller section, so you wanna go down.
You literally measured height?
It doesn't matter. He made it work.
It works.
Actually worked.
Hey, can we get a TikTok going? Yes.
You're hitting that truck on there. Watch the lean.
Too early.
There you go. Yeah. Ooh. Yes. Yes.
Hey, Doug, hit a nose slide.
You think no slide is possible?
Yeah, I wasn't sure about it, but no, I'm sure about it.
You got it. Oh, you gotta go faster.
You think?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm hyped. Everyone's hyped on it.
You did a very good job. You even got some of the fake trucks on there.
Hey, we need to make it work.
That's right.
So it's satisfying because you just go and you feel the.
Adi. You don't need to pop.
I was gonna do a shun it.
Wow.
Yeah. All right, a little more.
Those two are sticking up, so you might not be able to do it.
I just means I gotta go faster then.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Wow, dude, that sounds so sick.
Land it, bro.
It worked! That's tough, man. Right here, next try. I have a plan
What is
for
that?
something. I'll show you once.
Oh my goodness.
Yo,
That was amazing.
Yeah, Will. Yeah, Doug. Oh my God.
Jesus.
What happened?
My truck like got stuck in there.
Oh no! Oh, body!
Yeah, I kind of did that too.
Body! That's a three-piece right there. Oh my God, that was nuts!
Thanks, brother.
my gosh.
It's satisfying, like everyone's been saying it. It's like you just go, trrrr, that's all you hear.
Gotta go all the way into the bottom.
Keep it steady though.
That was bad.
Count it.
Buttery.
Thanks for having patience, man.
Yep.
I'll take that all day.
What the heck was that, dude? Okay.
Dude,
That was crazy.
I think that was like the accidentally coolest thing you've ever done.
I think so, dude. Oh my god.
Jesus.
Hey, let's move it to the rail! Yo,
Has that ever even just been done in general?
Yeah.
No better.
Seriously, better than landing it
dark
clean
slide
to primo, like primo power
On
slide.
the weirdest thing. Not even
Wow.
on a rail or a ledge.
Go to the rail.
Which rail?
That one. How are you gonna keep it on? Duct tape?
Duct tape? Yeah, might as well.
The truck rail, that's all I use is duct tape.
You're gonna try it like that?
Zip ties, actually. Zip ties is a great idea. Right
I don't even think we have zip ties.
How do you not have zip ties?
Not secured at all. Full send, Doug.
No way! No way!
I guess you don't need it.
All right, Carlos, take her away. Yeah! Too easy. Body. Yeah. Your balance is like so off. Yeah, Will. Yes. You gotta do the line. Wow. Ow! All right.
Yeah. Should we be done?
If you
Move
want.
forward?
It's up to you.
That was the handrail made of trucks. That worked amazingly well. Every single person here, all those guys, they just killed it. So what you need to do is go into the links in the description, check them all out. They have YouTubes, they have Instagrams, all that information will be right down there. There's some videos over there, go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you guys should learn how to skateboard because then you can have fun sessions like the one we just had. We'll see you tomorrow.